Welcome back to my channel. In this video I am just going to tell you that how you can easily delete or remove a phone number from your Facebook account. So if you don't want to make any mistake, so make sure to watch the full video to the very end, and do not forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started without wasting any time, and first of all open up your Facebook account, and after that just go to the menu and click on this gear to open up settings and privacy, and click on see more in account center, and you can see the option of personal detail. Click on it and go to contact information and select the number you want to delete, and then click on delete number. And then there is a caveat to this. It just says deleting this will disable your two-factor authentication, and if you have the two-factor authentication you might obviously add a new number so that you can move it to. And if you don't necessarily want to add a new phone number, so first of all what you all have to do is just go to two-factor authentication and turn it off, and come back here and just click on this delete button and to delete that phone number. And then here just give your password, and so you are done with deleting your phone number. So like, go back once again, and here you see the option of password and security. Just click on it, and the second option you can see the two-factor authentication. Choose that option and choose your account, and just give your password and disable the two-factor authentication. So that's how you can easily remove or delete a phone number from Facebook. Thanks to watch the video.